Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. I've got my quarter, got my grocery list, so let's get into the store, see what goodies they have, and at the end, I'll share with you my meal plan. Don't forget, any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. I wanted panini bread, but they don't have any, so I guess I'll get this and make paninis from this, just like the grilled cheese, $3.69. Oh wait, I'm wrong. They have it, and there's one left and it's discounted. It was just moved, so it's only $2.99. Yay. Okay, I wasn't gonna get these, but $2 off of $2.89, so they're only gonna be 89 cents, an easy addition to a meal. I'm making sheet pan nachos, so I think I'm gonna get these. I think they'll be pretty good. I'm gonna get 2 bags, $1.95, because my son also has these in his lunch, and then I'm gonna get a medium salsa for $1.79. And salsa con queso. My son loves this stuff. $1.99. We're having paninis and chips with fruit. Easy dinner. $2.19. I'm getting the sour cream and cheddar. My whole family likes those. My hubby asked me to get apple cider. $5.79. Yummy. 85 cents for cilantro. This will go with the chickpea curry as well as the nachos. I'm gonna get a cantaloupe. I serve this in spears and can get a couple dinners worth out of it. $2.59. I'm getting romaine hearts. I might actually end up getting 2 of them at $2.49 a piece because both my girls are taking giant Greek salads to lunch, and I ran out of lettuce last week and had to get more. So I'm gonna get 2 of them at $2.49. Wow, Gala apples are only $1.89 for 3 pounds, so I'm actually gonna get 2 bags of these. That's such a good price. My kids love to eat apples. Very easy snack, easy fruit for a meal, and then I make applesauce with them. Actually, I'm gonna get 3 bags because that's just a good deal. And we like apples. $2.67 for 2% milk, just a standard. Won't grab that one. Looks like it's been leaking a bit. There we go. You can join the cider. My onion bin is bare, so I'm gonna get red onions and sweet onions. They're $1.99 per bag. I'm running low on butter, so I'm just getting a pound, $3.29. Yummy. Can't wait to make a Christmas charcuterie board. All the things. I need a can of fire roasted tomatoes for the chickpea curry, $1.15. I need a can of black beans for nachos, 77 cents. And then I also need 2 cans of the chickpeas for, of course, the chickpea curry, 78 cents a piece. Now, I could be wrong, but I don't think we've had cranberries in a while here. Oh, yep, it says new. So another sign of the holidays coming. Yay, they have pepperoncinis again for the salads, $2.19. $2.09 for the Kalamata olives. We still have some on hand, which is actually what made me think of paninis, but artichokes on paninis is like my literal favorite, and my middle daughter loves it too. And these are so yummy, but I already have some in my fridge. I'm gonna grab this. My husband mentioned being low on cereal. He's the biggest cereal eater in the family, but I'm gonna get this, $2.59. This is super cute, this bamboo tower. I would love this in my office. I'm getting a new office, but I don't know if I have space for it. Otherwise, I'd be grabbing it. Super cute, $24.99. Lots of organization bins, spice racks, a turntable, spice jars, containers, electric soap dispensers. We have these in our bathrooms. They're really nice. Lots of pretties if you want to pretty up your space. Towels, rugs, bath mats, lots of new things in here. Very pretty comforter sets. We are big fans of heated blankets. Sherpa throws. Oh, that one's pretty for Christmas. I really like that. They're only $9.99. Very, very pretty. Sherpa throw pullovers. Oh my lord, is this like a miracle or what? Aldi has a size 11, 12 for women's? I've never seen such a thing. Wow, I love slippers, but the thing is, I actually have like a nice stock from clearance but I cannot believe I see a size 11, 12. Oh, I love my lined Crocs. In fact, I'm wearing them right now, but this is like the Aldi version. House shoes. I'd actually be more inclined to buy these as slippers than the women's. Ladies joggers, men's pants, lots of socks, lots of fun things. Oh, look at these. We love Squishamallows, but we don't need any more. That one's so cute. Lots of Halloween cuties, $7.99. I still have all of the Halloween candy. And my favorites, guys. I'm holding out hope. Clearance, clearance, clearance. Okay, these are marked down for $6, so it's $1 a piece. I'm gonna get these. We are going on a trip next week and not taking my son. I always leave little presents behind. The trip is to go to see my daughter's doctor. So it's not like a fun thing, but we always leave little gifts so he doesn't feel left out. And this will be fun for him. $5.99. These are also marked down, which is a really good price. Better than what I paid for it at Costco. These rugs look really nice, $49.99, super soft. I need day and night cream, and my daughter needs day cream. It's $3.79 a piece, so I'm getting 2 day cream and 1 night cream. My husband put men's body wash on the shopping list. So I'm gonna get him what sounds more manly than Bear Glove. $6.79. The Aldi version doesn't have a man scent, so I'll go with this. We're out of toilet paper. I'm gonna get this 18 rolls for $11.09. I don't think I have to tell you why we're getting it. We're making this chicken rice I got last week for a dinner, but I'm gonna get cheddar broccoli for my vegetarian. This is 95 cents. 3 of these waters, 89 cents. We were completely out of Italian seasoning when I made my vegetable soup, so I'm getting more, 99 cents. My husband added ground pepper to the shopping list, so we must be low, $2.99. I'm getting spaghetti noodles to make the lo mein with, $1.88. Okay, another sign of the holidays. French fried onions are back. I'm getting this medium fresh cut salsa for $2.49 for when we have, oops, it smiled, I want the medium. For when we have nachos. My husband and kids love this stuff. I'm going to get sharp cheddar for the paninis in addition to all the other cheeses we already have, $1.89. Holiday meats, we got turkey breast, small turkey breast, duck. This butter chicken is holding on for dear life still. We got the stuffed gnocchi, pork schnitzel, chicken onion ring looking things, everything bagel, cream cheese, stuffed shrimp, wonton soup, sweet potato blend, nothing new so far. So a lot of this stuff is still just looks like it's left over from last week. Nothing super new. I still think the ravioli sound good. Not on this week's meal plan, but maybe soon. Now my kids asked me to make hash browns this week with waffles, and I was thinking of doing homemade, but the potato O'Brien sound good. But my son that asked for them really does want the homemade ones, I know. Those are $2.49, still look good to me. Flounder. So yeah, some good stuff in here, but nothing looks new. It's pretty picked over, so I don't know. I hope you guys have more new stuff in your area. My husband asked me to get some bottled water. The funny thing is, this is for a fog machine that he's building some contraption with, not to drink, but he will get to drink them after he uses them. He's using them as like frozen ice pucks. I don't even understand, but yes, honey. $3.19. Broccoli to have with the chickpea dinner. And green beans that I'll steam and then fry with butter and garlic. 96 cents for the green beans, $1.09 for broccoli. Okay, here's everything I got. Any guesses on my total? Okay, I got my red sticker discounts. I scan them at the end so it's easy for the person to help me. Got them off. My total is $110.46. Now let's go home and see my meal plan. Okay, our meal plan for the week. We are gonna have homemade waffles with apples in them and hash browns. This is my son's request. I'm making lo mein. I have baby carrots and water chestnuts that I can't buy at Aldi on hand from my last Walmart pickup, so I wanted to get that. I have a bunch of veggies. You can basically throw, if you have one leftover carrot and a little bit of broccoli, throw all your leftover veggies into a stir fry or a lo mein. Easy win. My whole family loves that. I'm making nachos. I'll have ground beef from the freezer or black beans, depending on if you're a vegetarian or not. I'm gonna make chickpea curry in the Instant Pot with rice and a steamed probably broccoli. I'm not calling it a curry though because my picky vegetarian won't try it if I call it curry, but I think she'll really like it. It's a new recipe for us. I'm making a couple different rice-a-ronis, one chicken flavored, one cheese flavor, and then we'll have chicken tenders. My husband loves rice-a-roni and he's been asking me to have it on the meal plan. My middle daughter loves it. So I'm gonna make a couple boxes and have chicken tenders. This is the big giant tender box I bought a while ago. They're pretty good. We just pop a few for every person that wants them in the air fryer. Really simple addition. We're either gonna have pizza, leftovers, or out to eat on Friday. I'm not sure. It depends on kind of how many leftovers we have from earlier in the week. And then also I'm gonna make homemade paninis. We still have those spicy salamis, artichoke, spinach leaves, lots of different things we'll put in this. So basically everyone can build their own and it'll be a nice, easy Saturday night dinner. I love Damn Delicious's recipe for lo mein, so if you want to check out her video, you can see how she makes it. I basically use her sauce recipe and then do whatever I want for veggies, but her sauce is amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.